So I'm going to replace the spark plug tube seals, these 4 ones, because I was replacing the valve cover gasket, and with that I thought I should replace these also because they also come in the kit. I got this kit from Amazon for $20, which includes the gasket, the seals, and 3 smaller seals which go inside the valve cover head. I'll show you later. So let's focus on this only. So these seals have been in place for almost 160,000 miles, and they are hard and it won't be that easy to get them out. So let's see how it goes. Not that difficult. Okay, good. One is out. Similarly, I'll do all 4 and then start putting in the new ones. This one is also out easily. I was not expecting it to be done this easy, but it seems like it is. This is also out. And this one too. Now that these seals are out, I'm going to clean this. And then I'll put in the new seals. This has been cleaned thoroughly. Do the cleaning from this side also. Like this. So this is all done. Now I'll open the new seals and apply some oil before putting these in. So these are the 4 seals. Let's open these. And these will go in just like this. I don't think so I need to apply any oil. Still, that will make it easy. So this is the first seal, goes in, easy, no issue there. Yeah. So the way it is, there is a collar here, and all you need to make sure is that collar goes in all the way like this. Holding the second one, putting this one in, the third one. The 4th one. So all of these are in. Let's check it on the other side. Yeah, seems good enough. So this is how you change these seals of spark plug tubes. Thanks for watching.